Hello everyone! In today's video we'll make a trailer for the Land Rover Defender. To make this trailer you'll need 5mm thick lumber. The bottom panel is 52mm wide. Cut out an opening on the scroll saw and sand it smooth. Drill a 3mm hole. Cut out the outside shape on the bandsaw. Sand to the line at the belt sander. The side panels are 30mm wide. Glue the trailer together. This will be the wheelbase. Drill 7mm holes for the axles to go through. The base is 13mm thick and 50mm wide. I've cut the base with a 30-degree miter. Glue it on. Cut out the mud guards on the bandsaw. They are 15mm thick. Glue them onto the trailer. Make 4 wheels and glue them in place on a 6mm dowel. Add some rear lights to the trailer. Now we'll make the coupling hook for the Land Rover Defender. My lumber is 16mm wide and 5mm thick. Drill a 4mm hole. I've redesigned my coupling hook so that I can turn it out of sight under the Land Rover Defender. Glue in a 3mm dowel. Attach the coupling hook to the Land Rover Defender with a screw so you can turn it out of sight if you want to. Now it's time to play. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!